guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I am making a Glam kind of serving tray, like a bedside serving tray. So I found this at IKEA for like literally $2, and it's totally see-through and clear, but it's a great shape, and it's just a plastic kind of tray. So I want to give it a total makeover and make it super cute and just kind of, you know, somewhere that you can like take tea in bed and like put your mug there, or coffee, or whatever you want. So yeah, just like a little bedside serving tray. So that is what this is going to turn into. I'll link everything you need down in the description along with my socials as always, and let's get going. So first things first, I'm going to spray the back gold. Surprise, surprise, I know. But until the day comes where I can actually afford a gold plated serving tray, spray paint is just gonna have to do. Okay, so the tray is all dry. I'm gonna flip it over. And I don't actually need to spray the entire thing, just kind of the edges, so I'm gonna do that next. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and put on a second coat, but seriously, how much more glam does this look already? I'm telling you, spray paint is a life changer. Okay, so up next, I'm going to be preparing the lining of my tray while it's outside drying with the paint. And for that, I have this really cool marble paper. And it's not anything fancy like contact paper or anything, it's just legit wrapping paper. And it was like actually really cheap too. So look at it, it's so pretty. That's like a super awesome, super legit marble print. It actually looks darker and busier on camera than in real life, but yeah, it's like very matte and just really awesome and really realistic. So love this stuff, looking for something to use it on other than wrapping presents. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using that as the lining of my tray, and I'm basically just gonna be gluing it down, not even really decoupage because I'm not painting over the top of it. I am gonna be watering down my glue a little bit because I think it's thick and I don't want any bubbles or anything, but just kind of cutting my Elmer's glue with a little bit of water, painting it, and then putting this on once I figure out how to cut it because it's got those round things. So some trial and error, but I'm going to cut it to size, and then hopefully the tray will be dry by then and we can start applying. Okay, so I've got my glue water paste here, a paintbrush. I'm literally just going to pour it on and spread a thin coat on the tray. Here we go, let's get our marble on. Alright guys, so here is the tray all done up. Lovely gold and marble tray. Way more glam than when I started. Totally love this. I did get a little bit of the bubbles in the paper. I wasn't like super careful putting it on like I probably should have been. But with the design of the paper, you can't really see them a whole lot unless there's like relief lighting, like because the sun's going down and the light's coming from one direction, you can see the shadows. But I mean, it's a veiny stone, so in real life, it's actually not even that noticeable, but if it bothers you, just be better about putting on your paper than I was. But how cute is this? This is super awesome. Totally great for like holding drinks, trays, your book, whatever you want. Keeping it safe, keeping it up, keeping it from spilling. And I'll put some pictures at the end. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you here again soon. Bye.